Hey, Robert. I made it down to the lot today. Just wanted to give you a quick view. Finally getting some grass to grow again. More and more homes are getting cleared up off their foundations, which is good. So, but it's got a long, long way to go still. Right over there is Estero Boulevard. Looks like they're doing some more cleanup here. Palm trees look like they're in good shape. They've cleaned them up. There's your dock. Little worker going out there. And as you can see, there's that debris there that's way out in the tree growth there. So I don't know how eventually that'll come out. Oh, the Sterlachis took their plants up. They're still trying to build on your tiny portion over here of the lot. So just kind of give you an idea here. That's FEMA, and they're clearing out the mangroves and the debris. And we talked about this stuff in here and how to get it out. And Teresa is who I talked to, and Captain John, and they said that there are actually going to be FEMA workers coming out eventually, and they will be doing this kind of cleanup, which is inaccessible to get out there, but they're actually doing it from that barge and hand picking out of the mangroves, because you can see so much debris, and this is nothing compared to what I'm seeing everywhere. So our little guy did do a decent job. But it's hard to climb all out in there. And then I'll show you what they were talking about related to hand picking, because this is a really good picture of it. The other side, that's all debris from the storm, and that's what they were talking about. Hand picking it and getting it on that barge that I took the video of.